Hey there, Shubh Deals family. Let's kick things off with something super cool. The Ice Hockey Air Power Game. This isn't your average game of hockey. Oh no, this one uses air cushion technology. That's right, the puck actually floats on air, making it glide effortlessly on any smooth surface. Imagine the hours of fun your kids will have indoors while they get competitive and active. Plus, it's a fantastic way to reduce screen time. Perfect for kids aged teen and up. And just so you know, the link is down in the description below. Looking for a fun and easy game that boosts hand-eye coordination? Check out this bowling game set. This colorful set is designed for kids 5 and up and comes with everything you need for an exciting round of bowling. It's perfect for indoor fun, and it's a great way for parents and kids to bond while improving coordination skills. And the best part? It's made from non-toxic, safe materials. Get your hands on this set through the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about foosball. This tabletop game is going to keep your little athletes engaged for hours. With sturdy pipes and handles, it's easy to shoot the ball, and the built-in ball return feature ensures fast-paced action. Whether you're having a competitive match with friends or a fun family game, this foosball set is portable, durable, and ready for action. Perfect for both kids and adults. You can grab one through the link below. Here's something unique: the String Hockey Showdown. This fast-paced tabletop game lets you use elastic bands to launch the puck. And it's a serious test of your hand-eye coordination. Made with a sturdy wooden construction, this game is perfect for both kids and adults. Whether you're having a game night at home or taking it along on your next family camping trip, the String Hockey Showdown brings endless fun wherever you go. You can grab one via the link below. Alright, pool fans, here's something for you: the mini table pool. This portable pool table is just the right size for any table, making it perfect for a quick game at home. It's a great way to bond with your kids while improving their focus and precision. With its high-quality materials and easy-to-use design, this mini pool table is the perfect gift for kids and adults alike. Don't forget, the link is in the description below. Let's switch things up with some basketball action. The basketball board set is perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. The soft rubber ball makes it safe for kids, while the high-quality hoop ensures hours of entertainment. This set is ideal for kids though say 5 years old and is a great way to improve coordination and motor skills. It's also BIS certified, so you can trust that it's safe and reliable. Find the link in the description below. Now for all the future table tennis pros, check out this table tennis trainer. Perfect for practicing your skills, this compact set helps improve reaction time and hand-eye coordination. Whether you're playing solo or with friends, this easy-to-install trainer is perfect for players of all ages. And yes, the link is right below in the description. Want to sharpen those strategic thinking skills? Then the magnetic chess set is just what you need. It's compact, portable, and perfect for playing anywhere. Whether you're at home, on the go, or even in the car. With magnetic pieces that stay in place, you'll never have to worry about losing a piece again. Ideal for family game time and a great gift for kids. You can get yours through the link below. Let's wrap things up with some tumbling tower fun. This game is easy to play and doesn't require any batteries. Just grab the wooden blocks, stack them, and see who can keep the tower from tumbling. It's perfect for kids and adults alike and great for improving hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. The link is in the description. Next up, we've got the Valji dartboard set, the perfect game for your man cave, game room, or any space that needs a little competitive spirit. This double-sided dartboard gives you 2 games in one: a classic dartboard on one side and a target ring dart game on the other. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this one's sure to keep everyone entertained for hours. It's built with high-density cardboard and galvanized steel wire for maximum durability, and it even reduces bounce. Plus, with Chase steel darts, You've got everything you need to start playing right out of the box. Want to level up your dart game? Link is in the description below. Go grab it now. Next, let's talk about the rechargeable hover football, the game that's going to glide into your heart. This air-powered hover ball floats on a cushion of air and slides effortlessly over any smooth surface, indoors or outdoors. No more worrying about batteries because it's USB rechargeable. Just charge and play. It's perfect for kids, and trust me, even adults will find themselves getting competitive with this one. Want to experience the fun? Link is in the description below. Click it and get yours today. Up next is the sliding bowling curling do in ek fun game. An awesome way to combine two classic games in one. Whether you're bowling or curling, this game offers endless entertainment for kids 5 and up. Perfect for family gatherings or a competitive showdown with friends. It's easy to set up, and once you start, you'll never want to stop playing. Ready to roll? Link is in the description below. Don't miss out. Looking for a game that helps develop coordination skills while having fun? Check out the Do in Ek plastic ring toss game. This game challenges both physically and mentally, helping kids develop eye-hand coordination and body control. It's perfect for ages themed to art, and the colorful design makes it a hit at birthday parties or family gatherings. Want to improve your child's skills while having fun? Link is in the description below. Grab it now. Now, get ready for the Pictionary card game refresh, a hilarious twist on the classic Pictionary. Forget about drawing. This time, you'll be acting out clues with nothing but gestures. It's perfect for family game nights, and it's suitable for all ages with clue cards for both kids and adults. It's all about having fun, being creative, and laughing together. Think you can guess the clues? Link is in the description below. Don't miss out. Let's keep the fun going with Strike Char, the classic disc dropping game. It's simple but addictive. Drop your discs strategically and try to get char in a row before your opponent does. Whether you're Che or Sat, this game will keep you hooked and improve your strategic thinking. Ready to drop some discs? Link is in the description below. Grab it and start playing. Now for the ultimate thus in a classic board game set, a game night dream. With classics like chess, Ludo, checkers, and more, this set is designed to keep everyone engaged. Perfect for kids and adults, this set helps with decision making, strategic thinking, and problem solving. And the best part? It's compact, travel friendly, and super easy to set up. Ready to make game night unforgettable? Link is in the description below. Get yours now. Last but not least, the Business JR. Coins 5 in Ek board game. This one includes 5 classic games, Ludo, Snake Ladders, cricket, and more. It's perfect for family play and helps develop social skills, problem solving, and strategic thinking. Who knew a board game could be this much fun and educational? Want to try your luck at business and strategy? Link is in the description below. Grab your set today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an exciting game review. Catch you next time, and until then, keep playing.